Hi, this is Doug from Macon Marine Center in Houghton Lake and Sugar Springs Marine in Gladwin. It's boat show time at the Dow Diamond. Stop in and check out the great deals on our Michigan-made Manitou pontoons. Manitou features V-Tune technology, hands down the best handling pontoon on the water. We are proud to be a family-owned dealer and want to help your family get out of the winter blues. Remember, it's never too early to start thinking about summer. Get the most out of yours with a new Manitou pontoon from Macon Marine Center or Sugar Springs Marine this weekend at Dow Diamond in Midland.